Class 3 English. Okay, let's start English grammar. So previous day we have done this one. Till this much we have finished. I told you to write masculine, male, he words M, and feminine, she words F. You have to write here. This one we have done. Sir is a he word M, fox, he word M, hen F, bull M, cow is a she word, aunt is a she word F. This one you have done. All of you please take a pencil and do. This one also you have done. See, tiger, sister, niece, horse, husband, daughter. He words will be M, she words will be F. Clear? Now this one. Number 2 now. So we'll start from here today. Today's date, right? 25. Okay? Give the feminine of. Now you have to write the feminine of. Sir. Sir. Feminine will be madam. M-A-D-A-M. Son will be daughter. D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. Fox. Vixen. V-I-X-E-N. This one you will do by yourself. Boy, girl, king, queen, cock, hen, uncle, aunt, father, mother, husband, wife. This one you will do in copy. This one also you will do by yourself. And you have to write masculine means he word. Cow will be bull. Cow is what? Cow is bull, no? Just check it once. Cow will be bull. Ox and cow. If it is both will be bull. Cow, bull. Lady, gentleman. Lady will be what? You have to learn this table. See. Lady, gentleman. Okay. G-E-N-T-L-E. Gentleman. Mare, horse. Bitch will be. Bitch is what? Bitch is dog, I think. Yes, bitch is dog. Bitch, dog, niece, nephew, sister, brother, mama, papa. Mama will be papa. Mama, papa, woman, man, princess, prince. This also you will do by yourself. These two will be homework in copy. Give the feminine and give the masculine. These two will be your homework. You do in copy. Now rewrite changing the masculine into feminine. Okay, masculine will be feminine. Okay. He is a wise girl, boy. She is a wise girl now. He has 2 bulls. So what will write? She has 2 cows. Sir, he is absent today. Madam. This will become madam. M-A-D-A-M. Only madam. Madam, he is absent. She is absent today. She is absent today. Okay. The tiger killed the fox. So tigress. Tiger will become what? Tigress. T-I-G-R-E-S-S. Tigress killed the vixen. Fox is vixen. He wrote a letter to his nephew. So he will become what? She. She wrote a letter to his niece. N-I-E-C-E. Niece. Clear? All he words we are changing into she words. Clear? She. He has become she and bull. Clear? He words you change into she words. All. See, if you have problem you can write it down. Take a pencil and write. Okay? Now, let's go to this part now. Countables and uncountables. We can count some nouns, we call them countable, and we can use them as singular and also in plural forms. Okay, now see. Some nouns which can count, they are countable, which we cannot count are uncountable. Now, I have a book. I have 2 books. You can count the books. This is an egg. These are eggs. We can count the eggs. Now see. But we cannot count some nouns. We call them uncountable. Now see. We can use them in singular only. We can use them uncountables in only singular form. But countable can be used both in singular, also in plural. And uncountable can be used them in only singular only. We can't use a or an with them. We can't use a or an before the uncountable nouns. So some are uncountable. See, listen. Ear. We cannot count. Tea, ink. Oil cannot count. Milk, food we cannot count. Coffee, food also we can count. Water, bread we cannot count. Sugar, paper, gold. Cotton, smoke, money we cannot count. Money, smoke, this is some forms of uncountable. Listen, we cannot count. Okay, it's uncountables. Now see, tick the right, put a tick or a cross according to the articles used. Okay, a shop. A food we cannot use. If you count we can write a. Okay, when we can count we can write a. A food we cannot write a food because we cannot count. Bread we cannot count. Butter we cannot count. Cotton also we cannot count. A sugar, we cannot count. A pencil. Smoke, money, woman. Clear? Now see. The things which we can count, we can write a before them. The things which we cannot count, we cannot write a. So we can count. See, money, smoke, or cotton, these are uncountable. So money, cross. We cannot write a. Some money, we have to write. Clear? Now let's do this one. Take the pencil and you can do by yourself. Oh, till this much. Finish. This chapter finishes over here. So what you will do? Your homework will be this one. This one is important. Feminine and masculine. These two will be your homework. Okay? These two will be your homework. And you learn this table. This table is very important. If you learn this, you can do. Otherwise, you cannot do. Okay? This table is very important. You have to learn this table. This one will be your homework. These two. Do in English, copy. Okay? Masculine and feminine. Okay? For today, this much. Thank you.